Assalamu alaikum, dear learners, respectable teachers, and honorable guardian. Take my cordial love and welcome to our online class. Today, I am going to focus on English topics voice. It is concluded on the changing sentences. We know that voice is very important topics for English language. Voice, what is voice? Voice is the form of the verb which shows the subject's acts or is acted upon. We know that there are two types of voices, such as active voice and passive voice. Active voice means it is the verb of the form of a verb which shows the subject is the doer or action taker, such as I saw him. It is the example of active voice. If we go to see the passive voice, we can write he was seen by me. This is the example of active and passive voice. This is the questions how we can change the active voice into passive voice. It is our main question. At first we have to know what is passive voice and what is active voice and how we can know it. If we try to know passive voice, we know that be verb plus V3. In short, we can say that be verb means be, am, is, are, was, were, been, and being plus PPT. That means past participle, verb of transitive. If we got any be verb and after that a past participle form of main verb, then we call it passive voice. Otherwise, it will be active voice. Now, we are going to focus how to change it active to passive. Active to passive. Now I am going to write some example. At first, I saw him. I love you. And I like you. These sentences are very familiar subject of any familiar sentence in any person. So, at first we have to identify who is the subject, what is the verb, and who is the object. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. If we want to change active to passive, we have to follow some rules. At first, we have to identify subject, verb and object. At first work we have to do, object will be changed into subject. If we turn into passive, he is the subject of object him, and then we have to take be verb. BM is R, was, where. If we find the main verb is past form, then we will take was or where. As the subject, he third person singular number, so we can take was. Then we have to turn the main verb into past participle form. We know that V3. We know saw is the second form or past form of main verb see, and third form will be seen. Then we will add a preposition by. Finally, we have to change the subject, turn into will object. I is the subject and its object form will me. So, he was seen by me is the passive form of this sentence. Next one, we will do as same way. You are the object, and if we turn it object, it also will be you. Then as a verb, B1 means present form, we have to take a be verb from am is are. You second person, so we can take are. Then we will have to turn the main verb into past participle form, like it is the present form and liked is the past participle form, or in short B3. Then we will take a preposition by, and finally we will write the object of the subject. I is the subject and its object form will be me. So it is the passive voice. I like you is the active voice, and you are liked by me is the passive voice. Same way, if we change this sentence, I love you, it will be changed into passive. At first we have to write the object form of subject. You is the object in this sentence, and subject also will be you. We know it. And then we will take a verb from here, because love is the present form of verb, and we will take am from am is are. You is the second person, so we can take are. Then we will write the main verb of past participle form. Love is the present form, and past participle form will be loved. And we have to add a by preposition. Finally, we will write the object form of subject. Here, object is I. So, me will be the object. In this way, we can change any sentence of present tense and past indefinite tense. So, if we go another tenses, we can write in this way. He is eating a mango. If we turn into it, passive voice, at first we will take the object and it is not an animated object. How we can find out object here? If we ask the question whom or what, if the sentence give the answer of whom and what, it will be the object. He is eating a mango. What is eating? A mango will eating. So a mango will be the object. So we will write a mango as a subject because it is noun. Noun never will change. A mango, then we will write the be verb is. Then we have to add a being. Now we will write the past participle form of it, main verb. It, at, eaten. Eaten will be the past participle form. In another way, we will write a preposition by, and finally we will write the object form of subject. He is the subject and here him will be the object. In this way, we can change any sentence of any tenses. There are some rules. When we will come back, we will see other example or other tenses, and I will finish here. We will come back, or I will come back again another topics. So you will keep quiet, and finally I will say you will be very motivated if you watch the class of other teachers, and if you feel that it will be very essential for you, you can share it to your parents and other pages of Facebook. So, no more today. We will come back. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Koi minute